Hi class, I want to show you a preview of our classroom. We'll start out with our front page. This introduces the class. We have a little bit of Christmas music, a calendar for our students to know what's going on. Parents, if you have any questions, I have contact information down here. Feel free to contact me anytime. Next, we will go on to important documents. This is our upcoming pre-K events.
Hi class, Miss Nesbitt. How are you? In this slide, you're going to learn about our upcoming.
As you can tell by that slideshow, it will help you actually remember what we have going on. December is usually a busy month. This form here is for my information, gives me email addresses, parents, addresses and telephone numbers, the student's name. It's a Google form. All you have to do is just click on it and submit. In our work section, we have assignments. As you can see, we have 12 Days of Christmas, which we have been learning about. We have a video, a PowerPoint. We done a tutorial on our ABCs. And we done a book trailer about a book called 10 Things You Never Know About Santa. That's just some of the fun stuff we've been doing. We have quizzes to help your students learn. It's a Quizlet. You just press on the button. It will take you. We have a Night Before Christmas Quizlet that we learned. On our classroom activities, we have tutorials. This is a tutorial to help us learn about the 12 Days of Christmas. It's a slideshow. On the second one, we have a Quizlet along with a slideshow that will help us kind of learn as we're going along. It was the Night Before Christmas video we had.
Hi class, tonight's assignment is to watch.
This poem can be found on YouTube. Also, here is a tutorial regarding our Quizlet and then a 12 Days of Christmas. And our next, we learned about the digital citizenship. In this video, you can learn about what digital citizenship is. And in the last, we will have pictures of our classroom and some fun little videos that your students will enjoy, some simple songs. We look forward to working with your students this year. Like I said again, if you have any questions, my contact information is on the front. Feel free to contact me anytime.